This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about table linens, specifically these Table Tech table covers. We have the round black spandex contour cut 72-inch, the round blue spandex 32-inch bar height, the rectangle charcoal gray spandex contour cut that's 72 inches by 30 inches, the rectangle white spandex contour cut that's 96 inches by 30 inches. We also have a round gray spandex bar height that's 36 inches. And then we have a rectangle white polyester cloth hemmed that's 90 by 132, and a round blue polyester cloth hemmed that's 120 inches in diameter. You can see we've got multiple color options here: the black, blue, gray, and white, several shapes between the rectangles and rounds, a variety of sizes, and then also several different finishing options like the hemmed edges that are available on the polyester cloth or the contour cuts for those spandex. All of these are wrinkle resistant to cut down on time spent ironing. The spandex offers a nice foot pocket that allows you to slip those over the feet of your tables and really keep those linens and covers in place and looking sharp and crisp. It'll also keep them from shifting around to during service and your events. It's recommended that these items be machine washed on a gentle cycle with cold water when needed, and then air dried. You should not use bleach with any of these to avoid damaging your cloths and to help maintain their look. They're perfect for restaurants, hotels, event venues, party planners. You can use them in dining rooms, cocktail and bar areas, or just for use at special events.